Hello, welcome to how to solve this equation for a plus b. ab square plus 2ab plus a is equal to 50. From the left side we can factor out a times in bracket left b square plus 2b plus 1 is equal to 50. Next, a times, now here we have b square and we can consider this one as 1 square because 1 square is equal to 1, and according to algebraic identity a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. We can write this b square plus 2b plus 1 square as b plus 1 whole square is equal to 50. Now at left side we have two factors. One factor is a and the other is b plus 1 whole square, and this 50 can be factorized as 1 times 50, 2 times 25, 5 times 10, 10 times 5, 25 times 2, and 50 times 1. Now because at left side we have a perfect square b plus 1 whole square, so from these pairs we select only those factor pairs where second factor is a perfect square. In this factor pair 2 times 25, the second factor 25 is a perfect square. 25 is a square of 5, so we select this pair, and in this factor pair 50 times 1, the second factor 1 is a perfect square, so we select this factor pair, and we have only two cases. First we solve this one, 50 times 1. We factorize this 50 as 50 times 1. We write perfect square equal to the perfect square, that is 1, and we write this a equal to this factor 50. So a is equal to 50 and b plus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Now to find the value of b from here, we take a square root of both sides. Left side we take square root and at right side we take square root. This square will be cancelled with this square root, and here left b plus 1 is equal to plus minus 1. So b plus 1 is equal to positive 1 and b plus 1 is equal to negative 1. From here b is equal to 1 minus 1 and b is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, and from here b is equal to negative 1 minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. So in this case we have the value of a 50 and the value of b 0, and from here value of b negative 2. So from here values of a and b is equal to 50 and 0 and 50 and negative 2. The values of a plus b is equal to 50 plus 0, 50, and 50 minus 2, 48. Now we solve the second case, 2 times 25. We write this a times b plus 1 whole square equal to 2 times 25. This is case 2, a times b plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 times 25. In this case we write this b plus 1 whole square, that is a perfect square, equal to this perfect square 25, and we write this a equal to this 2. So a is equal to 2 and b plus 1 whole square is equal to 25. Now to find the value of b, we take a square root of both sides. At left side we take square root and at right side we take square root. This square will be cancelled with this square root, and here left b plus 1 is equal to square root of 25 is plus minus 5. From here b plus 1 is equal to positive 5 and b plus 1 is equal to negative 5. From here b is equal to 5 minus 1 and b is equal to 4. And from here b is equal to negative 5 minus 1 and b is equal to minus 6. So from here we have the value of a 2, value of b from here 4, and from here the value of b 6. So in this case values of a comma b is equal to, the first pair is 2 and 4 and the second pair is 2 comma negative 6, and values of a plus b are 2 plus 4 6 and 2 minus 6 minus 4.